Now that we've gone through the process of linking in our elevations and creating floor levels in our wireframe model, we're going to tidy this up by adding the final floor plans and looking at the visibility of some of the views. If you're keeping up with me, that's great. If you are having a few problems, then in the Chapter 4 Project Files folder, you will find a file called Chapter 4.1 02 Elevations, and you can start from there. So let's start adding the rest of our floor plans. First of all, I'll go to Level 2. And in here, I'll go to Insert, Link CAD, go to my DWG folder, select Level 2, check my settings and make sure that we're going to bring this in at Origin to Origin. Click on Open. At the moment, I can see some of the other drawings, but I'm going to go through that process for each view when we're finished. Additionally, the floor plans that I created earlier when I created levels don't appear to be in the project browser. Unless I expand the mechanical section, here we have Level 3, parapet and the roof. I can select all three of these, and you'll notice in the Properties palette that they have a view template associated with them. I'd like them to be architectural plans. Now that I've applied the view template, you can see that those floor levels also appear under architectural base plans. So let's open Level 3, click on the Insert tab, Link CAD, select Level 3, click on Origin to Origin, and Open. There actually isn't a parapet floor plan, so let's finally go to the roof. Click on Link CAD, click on Roof, Origin to Origin, and Open. Now, if I go to my default 3D view, you can see that we have something that resembles a building. It's a wireframe building, made up of all the architect's floor plans and elevations. So for each of these views, I want to control the visibility of the DWGs, as I can still see them. You can also see here that I haven't moved the last drawing that I imported. So let's do that straight away, and we'll move the west drawing against the west wall, and then look at Visibility Graphics. From the View tab, I can click on Visibility Graphics, and this shows me the imported categories for the drawing files. For Level 1, I only want to see Level 1. And in fact, I can look in here and scroll down to find grids and turn them off. Click on OK. We now have an architectural plan. I'll do that with each of the others. Go to Level 2, Visibility Graphics, Imported Categories, select them all, turn them off, select none, pick on Level 2, and turn off the grids. Again, same with Level 3, Visibility Graphics, or you can see the keyboard shortcut VG. So I can type in VG, get to the same place, Imported Categories, select all, turn them off, Level 3, and turn off that grid. Go to Roof, same process, Imported, all, see the roof, and turn off the grid. Same process with the elevations. In this instance, it will be slightly different. Although I only want to see the east elevation, we want to turn off grids and floor levels. Repeat that with the rest. All. Go for north. Turn off levels and scroll down for grids. South, Visibility Graphics. So there's the south, grids and levels. Finally west, and we'll repeat that one last time. Pick up west, grids and levels. And there we have it. Let's just go to the 3D view. We can also do that with this view. Only in this instance, what I want to do is go back to the visibility graphics. And I do want to see each one. But what I want to do is turn off those grids in the floor plans. So that's all the grids. And when we get to the elevations, we'll turn off the levels as well. Go for north, level and grid, and finally east. Click on OK. And there we have our wireframe model. We will be seeing this used in future exercises.